you're curious about TikTok Spark ads, you're not alone. Since their debut in 2021, these ads have generated a lot of hype and are one of the best advertising options for brands. We're talking a 134% higher completion rate and a 150% higher 6-second view-through rate than regular ads. All right, those numbers seem solid and all, but what exactly is a Spark ad? And what's the difference between a Spark ad and a regular ad? Let's say you're scrolling through TikTok and see an ad. You know what we're talking about. It's polished, HD quality, scripted, and painfully obvious. Naturally, you're gonna scroll right past. You keep scrolling and see another TikTok. It blends into your feed, matches your vibe, and doesn't disrupt your experience. You wouldn't have noticed it was an ad if it weren't for the call to action at the bottom. Spark ads usually have a call to action and a button that directs users to a landing page. In influencer marketing, Spark ads are a secret weapon. Since it's not clearly an ad at first glance, it encourages views and engagement, all while boosting the original creator's channel. Here's a situation where you'd use Spark ads. Let's say your brand collaborates with an influencer. You love the content they made for your campaign, but you'd like for it to go the extra mile. No problem. With Spark ads, you can whitelist the video, which is when you get to access the creator's video and promote it on your brand's account so it can reach your target audience. Since you're the one putting ad spend behind the influencer's post, the influencer is more likely to get higher than average views and engagement. This might incentivize them to reduce the cost of their content since Spark ads can grow their channel. Okay, so Spark ads sound pretty legit. What about regular ads? Should you abandon them? Not quite. A regular TikTok ad can still be valuable, especially if your content is engaging and you're looking to boost your account and get followers. Plus, it's easier to repurpose videos from other social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok with regular ads. So if your brand already has a robust presence on other platforms, regular ads might be a solid option. In short, figure out which one would work best for your situation and go from there. If you want to learn more about TikTok and influencer marketing, be sure to subscribe to the Ubiquitous YouTube channel and turn on the bell for notifications. This is Bryn from Ubiquitous, and I'll see you in the next one.